Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again with another MEE audio Bluetooth wireless headphone system for your TV. These are amazing headphones. The clarity, the bass sounds really good. I've been messing around with it for a few days now. I got it set up proper. I'll show you a little brief how to set it up. But I'm telling you, these are really good, especially now with the 20% off discount code will be down below. Just click on the link and copy the discount code to the checkout. And these are amazing though. It comes with the transmitter, the headphones, and these are the headphones right here. They got nice padding right here, and it doesn't get much air sweat or whatever you guys want to call it. It feels really good. I'm testing it on a PlayStation 4 right now, so that's what I have it hooked up to. Say if you got a TV, if you want to catch a game, you can have your headphones going. Also, so that'd be a good thing for like football, hockey season that's coming up, in basketball and movies on Netflix you could listen to. And I used the optical cable it came with, and I hooked it up to the PS4 down there. And right now, these are the reset buttons. I was wrong in my other video. This is a reset, so if you want to reset and hook up a new device, you can. So you can have two headphones, two Bluetooth speakers, one and one Bluetooth, one headphone. Really cool device with this thing. Definitely happy with this. So all I do is say this headphone's already paired, and I'm gonna pair this one up, this speaker, in a minute once I show you how the Bluetooth sound or the headphones sound. Got it hooked up to my PS4, like I said, just because of copyrights and I can't pick music. Sometimes it's kind of hard to test certain songs out. Power right here, simple. Right there, you'll hear it talk. Power on. And that should light up. So that's number A, I think. Yeah, that's side A. So side B is going to be my Bluetooth speaker right here. And ow, I think you guys could hear a little bit of it. Hopefully you guys could. Volume. They got the volume control. Oops. They got the volume controls right there. Come on, focus. I think that's as loud as it goes. Let's see if you guys can tell a little bit better. There you go. And then got those there. And now we're going to do the pairing on the speaker. So like I said, if you want to say switch out headphones down the road for maybe gaming, your other ones with the mics, all you got to do is hold that button right here to reset, and it'll cancel that one out and hook up your new one. Okay, so I got to do, we'll shut this one off. That's major first. There's where the USB goes for charging it. But they hold pretty long time for once you fully charge it. So you don't have to worry about charging it too much either. But without spending the big bucks, these are really nice to have for Christmas coming up. Stocking stuffers and all that for your boss, for your friend. So we got the basic Bluetooth speaker. Let's see what it registers as. And right now I just have Bluetooth mode. This thing charging, but you could always unplug it, have it without the cords. This part right here, that's power. So that's optical right there. And now side B, we'll pair it. I think you hold it. There we go. Sweet. See, now that was easy. And now you can hear someone here. I gotta turn the volume up. Hopefully you guys can hear it. like I said, that's hooked up correctly now. So like I said, all you gotta do, and just switch it. All you gotta do is shut it off. There you go. So you want to have surround sound, hook up maybe 2 of those, and hook up one of these. You gotta do is just turn it on. This is really cool though. I'm definitely, now since I understand the whole thing, how to do it, these headphones are great. There you go. And then now that should light up. Side A. Yep. See? Bada boom. So thank you guys over at MEE Audio. Check them out, YouTubers. Great company. Nice headphones. Cool little device like that. And check out what other goodies they have to offer. Until then, be safe. I'm not sure if I'm going to have a video tomorrow because of the holiday. But definitely take advantage of the 20% off coupon that I have to offer you guys. And pick a couple up, you know. So have one in the gym or whatever, your office. Pretty much anywhere. So definitely thank you guys at MEE Audio. Sorry for the other video, but this one, I figured it out. Good stuff. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a great weekend. See you.